are here now in Ambuklao Dam and it's so sad. There are a lot of garbage. A lot of garbage from Typhoon Pipito. Here we are. It's so scary. Oh my God. Woo. We're here now in the dam.
Did you say you get supplies for electricity in Baguio?
I did not ask. And he didn't say also. It's so scary. Darlin's so scared.